Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video and I am a blonde today. I hope you guys are feeling this look because I am absolutely loving it. It turned out amazing. So hence the title of this video. This is going to be a wig installation, customization, all of that, and the hair is from Afford Hair. Now I know that my last wig install, I wasn't crazy about Afford Hair's wig. The blonde highlighted. If you guys didn't see that video, I will link it up there just so you guys can take a look at it. But this hair is giving me life. I actually bought two wigs, that blonde highlighted wig, and I purchased this wig as well. Honestly, the first wig, I was so disappointed that I wasn't looking forward to installing this wig. But boy, do I tell you that this one came out amazing. So I'm going to walk you through the steps in regards to how I achieved this look. This wig came in a platinum blonde color. Put it somewhere in the screen so you guys can see how it came out the box. I didn't want it to be a platinum color. I wanted it to be more of a pale blonde color, and this is how it came out. So I will put the photos of the products that I use in the, and I'll also link what I use down in the description box below so that you guys can take a look. So the first thing that I did was bleach the knots, of course, which went left because I over bleached the knots. However, that was fixed later on, but once I was done bleaching the knots, left it in for too long, and then I went on to toning the hair. I purchased two toners, which I will put the pictures in the screen so that you guys can see what toners I used. I did the 2:1 ratio in order to achieve the platinum blonde. I left the product in for about 20 minutes, rinsed it out, and then I went on with my medium brown dye color from Revlon. Fix the roots that I over bleached, which came out really good. So of course you want to be very careful when dyeing the hair because this is blonde hair. So anytime you use any type of darker color, you will see it in the blonde hair. So I was pretty good and I was impressed with the way that everything came out because it's my first time rocking blonde hair. As far as the hair is concerned, it doesn't shed. I mean, it shed when I took it out the box, but that's normal. Wigs are bound to shed. Regardless, once you comb it out, you're gonna see some strands of hair, but this did not shed as much as the other wig. This hair is actually pretty good. It colored really well, or toned pretty well, and it doesn't tangle. It actually feels and smells like barb. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe on your way out, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below. I will see you guys in the next video.